In this lecture, we'll take a look at the introduction to Google Operations, formerly known as Stackdriver. So what is Google Operations? So Google Operations is a set of tools for monitoring, logging, and diagnostics for applications on Google Cloud. So cloud monitoring collects metrics, events, and metadata from Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, hosted uptime probes, and application instrumentation. Using the bind plane service, you can also collect this data from over 150 common application components, on-premise systems, and hybrid cloud systems. Google Cloud's Operations Suite ingests that data and generates insights via dashboards, charts, and alerts. Bind plane is included with Google Cloud Project at no additional cost, and to collect metrics data from your compute engine instances, you can create an agent policy that automatically installs and maintains the Google Cloud Operations Suite agents across your fleet of VMs. Cloud logging allows you to store, search, analyze, monitor, and alert on logging data and events from Google Cloud and Amazon services. Using cloud logging includes access to the bind plane service, which you can use to collect logging data from over 150 common application components, on-premise systems, and hybrid cloud systems. To collect logs from your compute engine instance, you can again create an agent policy that automatically installs and maintains the Google Cloud's Operations Suite agents across your fleet of VMs. And finally, error reporting aggregates and displays errors produced in your running cloud services. Using the centralized error management interface, you can find your application's top or new errors so that you can fix the root causes faster. You can report errors from your application by sending them directly to cloud logging with proper formatting, or by calling an error reporting API endpoint that sends them for you. The setup process depends on your platform. For instructions, you can check out Google documentation setup guides on how to do this. We will cover a part of it in the demo. To report errors from Android and iOS client applications, Google recommends setting up Firebase Crashlytics. So let's take a look at the free tier limits. So the pricing for Google Cloud's Operations Suite lets you control your usage and spending. Google Cloud's Operations Suite products are priced by data volume. You can use the free data usage allotments to get started with no upfront fees or commitment. So the following table summarizes the pricing information for Google Cloud logging and cloud monitoring. So in logging, from an ingestion perspective, you have this much allotment per month. And from a storage perspective, you have this much allotment per month. And from a cloud monitoring perspective, these are some of the free tier limits in terms of monitoring data and how much API calls you can make. Again, all this is available on the Google Cloud free tier limits documentation. You can have a look for more detailed information around this. So what are the topics that we are going to cover in the demo? So we'll be doing separate demos for each of the three. That is the monitoring, logging, and reporting as follows. For cloud monitoring, we are going to monitor a compute engine virtual machine instance with the cloud monitoring. For logging, cloud logging, we are going to write log entries by using gcloud command line tool. We will list log entries by using the gcloud command line tool. And we'll list log entries by using the logging API. And we'll view and query log entries by using the logs explorer. And for cloud error reporting, we are going to simulate an error from a service in a cloud project. And we will use error reporting to view the error and change the error status so that other people on your team know that the issue is being addressed. And finally, we will also set up notifications so you will know when new types of errors occur. So that's a quick overview of Google Cloud Operations. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.